Pop Cops on Duty, and today we have some footage from the Superhero Comic-Con toy show. Be right back. What's up, everybody? It's a Pop Cop back again with
his sidekick.
The dynamic duo today. Mrs. Pop Cop decided she didn't want to be in the videos anymore.
She's at work.
Well, that and somebody left a mean comment about her, which I deleted, but she saw it. Huh?
Why did you tell me about this?
Because, so, I don't think she'll be in any more videos. It was basically like, oh, she didn't seem like she was into it, and it's just kind of mean, but what?
Like that mean? I'm not really interested in it.
Okay. First off, got a little footage. We're gonna show it after this. Not a whole lot. Me and Baleigh, because it was this Comic-Con was actually the day before we left to go to the Fun on the Run, so we didn't have like a lot of money to spend because I knew we were gonna be spending a lot on our little trip. But I'd already bought the tickets before we planned to go and paid for the autographs that we got. But so San Antonio, it's about the third or fourth. I know we've been twice to this Comic-Con. Have it every year.
Place that we've been more than twice.
But I think they changed the name. It used to be something else. Because there used to be a River City Comic-Con, and we went. Well, I went before Baleigh started going. I went to that every year. I think we may have missed 1 year, but then I think COVID killed it, and it came back as this, I think. But here's some footage, and we'll show you what we got. Be right back. About a couple minutes worth of footage, but get by a couple things. Got a couple autographs. Now, this is what Baleigh saw she wanted. Which one was this one? The frog. And then you just got the turtle one. That's about your 80th stitch. Now, I didn't get much. I wasn't really.
They look different on the front.
Yeah. We didn't stay there all day. It was maybe, we were probably there, what, about 5 hours. The only thing I saw, I was like, buy a couple sodas. Plus I didn't want to have to lug everything around. Saw Lion-O, so I picked him up. I think it cost me like 15 bucks. I don't have Mumra either. These all came out before I started collecting the sodas. And then I just went ahead and picked up, the guy had that Vampire Freddy too, so think we did a bundle. Cause that's the only other vampire ready soda. Yeah, well, I'd like to chase, but I don't think I can afford him. I missed the drop when he came out.
It's huge, dude. Look at that. I built the box.
I think Baby Yoda would like to eat that. He's like on all fours though.
That's what's up.
Okay, we'll get into the autographs next. Okay. I don't know if anybody knows who Larry Hama is.
Nope, I don't know.
He wrote a lot of the G.I. Joe comic books. I don't know if he wrote them or he was the artist. So he was there. I got him to sign a Storm Shadow for me. Of course, it's JSA. That's because I was telling Bailey, I was like, the lighting looks darker in here today. We forgot to put the ring light on. So if it's a little darker. Hold on. You can pause this and I'll turn it on. I'll be right back. Okay. Now it looks a little bit better, but now you're going to see the reflection from the ring light. Larry Hama, JSA. Okay, next up. What's her name? Aliquia Cox. Played Maya Lopez is going to be Echo. She was there.
Oh.
She was the
one that kept speaking sign language in front of us and took forever.
There was a girl in front of us in line to get the autograph, and she was like, "Oh, I know a little bit of sign language. I'm gonna talk to her." I'm like, "Oh my god!" I'm like, "We're gonna be here forever because she's gonna try and do all this sign language in front of her." And sure enough,
it did take
at least 5 minutes. She's trying to, I guess, recite everything she knows in sign language in front of her. Okay. Ming-Na Wen. Fennec Shan autograph. JSA. We'll just cover up your face. Oh, I've got a reflection. Or glare. Okay. Now the main one I bought is I got Kit Harington, Jon Snow. Now, I had already paid for these. So I don't know why they do this. They announced a bunch of the celebrities that were going to be there. Brie Larson was there, Elizabeth Olsen. I don't really care for either one of theirs, but they added Amelia Clark, which is what's in Khaleesi. I can't ever remember her real name. They added her, but her autograph sold out real quick. Like the next day, it was all gone. But I wanted to get hers. I was hoping I could just stand in line, but I was like, nah, I'm already spending too much money. So, settle for those 4. But then again, I'd already paid for these 2. And they added her late, but she was only like $50. And Larry Hama was only 20. But, one last thing. When me and Bailey go to these Comic Cons, we always stop at Panda Express.
Because Mom doesn't like Panda Express. And I love
hates
it.
Panda Express, and I love orange chicken. I could eat all 3 of those tubs of orange chicken. But
so every time we're by ourselves and we go, we just go.
Yeah, whenever we're not with Erica, we always eat at the places we want to eat at that she hates. Okay.
Like one time he brought me to Jack in the Box.
Yeah, it's either like Jack in the Box, Taco Bell, Panda Express, all places she hates. Now, there's a GameStop there. When we went in, they had, this guy was on clearance. Boggling. It says do not feed him candy.
Yeah, you have to.
Blopkin. It was on clearance for $36. I had a $5 off, and then they clearanced him down because I already had the other membership. So I ended up getting him for like $20 and some change.
Allergic to it.
And I always wanted to get one. See, I like that one better though. Black and a white one. King Drool. I don't know where I'm gonna stick this guy. He's ginormous. Huh? I think that's so you can. Maybe that's how you get them out. Somebody started to punch the hole out in the bottom. Okay, one last thing we're gonna do real quick. I've had these for like 3 weeks now. I want to open them. So we're gonna go ahead and open
First
them.
edition.
These are the remakes though. These were out like when I was young. I never had one. All right, Baleigh, pick your.
You paid that much for this one?
No, I ended up getting it for like $20. All right, which one do you want to open?
Something.
Sorry, I hit the remote with Blobkin over here. Two Last Ronins. I don't know if I showed you these before I hit the remote. I didn't get these at the con. I got them from, I don't remember where I got them from. So pretty much the only thing I'm ordering nowadays is, I'm not trying not to do as many mystery boxes. So I have a stockpile. I have 2 totes full of mystery pops I don't want that I'm trying to sell.
Oh, I haven't had so much box.
You're just spreading everywhere. Alright, I guess I'll go first. Could we get the perfect pull? I need one of those soda topper things like
I was
this.
gonna hope that I could do this and then it'll throw like at the camera.
Oh, I got the comment. Oh, got 2 comments. You would have noticed right away if it wasn't. It would have been like he was out of a comic book, black and white. Just 2 commons. I don't know if I'm gonna buy any more of these. Like, I like the turtles, but like growing up, I was like the first 4 turtles came out, and I was kind of like out of toys. Like I just discovered girls. That's probably like your age or the year after when these came out. When the turtles came out. Plus Nintendo was out. I think that's what got me out of toys was Nintendo. That's gonna be it for our adventure at the, what's it called? Superhero Comic Con car show. I just forget.
And to Hot Topic.
Yeah. No, Hot Topic was the last video.
No, it was
GameStop. Oh, you got some little squishmallow things too. A little box of things. But alright, Pop Cops 1042.
Hello, citizens. This is Batman, the Dark Knight, ordering you to like, comment, and subscribe to Pop Cop 765. And remember, crime never pays.